Imagine waking up in the same bedroom, in the same apartment, on the same street, for the thousandth time. The walls feel smaller, the ceiling lower, and the calendar pages keep flipping, but nothing changes. That was Lisa and Martin's life in Fremantle, until they asked one dangerous question. What if we stopped paying for space and started paying for freedom? They didn't just downsize, they obliterated the old life. Couch, TV, wardrobes, gone in a Gumtree feeding frenzy. And when the last box left, something unexpected floated away too, the invisible weight of just in case. Their new landlord, a 2015 long-wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter named Valley, a tribute to a golden retriever who taught them happiness is a tail wag away. Valley arrived as an empty metal cave. No plumbing, no warmth, no promises. Just 14 square meters of potential. The couple saw past the rust spots and rivets. They pictured a U-shaped lounge that flips into a queen bed. Enter Martin the plumber, gas lines bend to his will, and Lisa the visionary, every cushion obeys her mood board. Winter rain found leaks around the reversing camera, water dribbled in like doubt. Martin's hands sealed the breach. Windows arrived like new eyes, glass that slides open to salt air. Suddenly the metal box breathed. Each stripped screw felt like the van asking, "Are you sure?" And each sunset through pine frames answered, "Absolutely." Finish before the first kite breeze of summer, then point the hood north. 1,400 kilometers to Exmouth, where red dirt meets neon water. The road isn't an escape. It's an exchange, trading predictability for possibility. Next time you feel walls closing in, ask yourself, if everything you own couldn't fit in 14 square meters, would the important stuff still make the cut? Valley's engine turns over, a diesel heartbeat under star-drunk skies, and two humans who refuse to wait for retirement to start living.